In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape in Canva with a picture. So I have two different shapes just here. This is a standard shape and this is a Canva frame. Now to actually fill a shape with a picture, we have to utilize Canva's frames. Now to find these, we can come over to Elements just here. Then if we come and scroll all the way down to here, this is where you'll find the frames. If we click on See All, then we can click on Basic Shapes. We can use any one of these. Now this right here, this is a standard shape. So if we come back and back again, you're going to find them just here under Shapes. And these can't be used because if we try and take this image just here and drop it into this shape, nothing's going to happen. Whereas if we take this, hover over this frame, it automatically adds it into the frame. Then we can double click and we can adjust to however we want, just like that. Now with the frames as well, we do have a few different features. So if we click on there, we can also add a border. There's a few different border styles just here. We can change the color of that border as well, and we can increase that border weight. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to fill a shape in Canva with a picture. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.